Welcome to Stoke Driving School. When you become a customer of ours, you will be sent a text message like this. It has the PIN code of the school, the username, which is your mobile number, and the password. Next at the bottom you will see the app. Click the link and you will be able to download the app. It doesn't matter whether you are Android or Apple, it will work out and find the App Store for your phone. Make sure you press student after you've put in the PIN. Once it's done this, you can read our terms and conditions and then agree, and then you'll be taken through to the front of the app. Once you are here, please go to Profile. At the profile, you can edit profile, you can call the instructor, send them a message, or read our terms and conditions again. But first of all, it's really important to update or edit your profile. This means less time is wasted on the first lesson. We still need to see your license, but you can put all your details in. This app has many useful benefits. First of all, you can see your lessons, future and past. Keep up to date with your progress. We've added in many local junctions so you can see what you've covered and what you haven't and what manoeuvres you've done. It will also give you a percentage of where you are. You can also pay for your driving lessons here, and if someone wants to buy you a voucher, they can buy you a voucher here. The inbox is a way you can communicate with your driving instructor directly, and they can send you messages. 24 hours before your lesson you will get a message sent here which is pushed to your phone, so it acts like a text message. Gaps is very useful. When instructors get cancellations, they put it here that they've got a gap, and you feel free to take the gap, and it's come on a first serve first basis. If you have a look at guides is just useful links that we put in, like our YouTube channel, Facebook, and any other links that we think will be beneficial for you. And profile that we've gone over, please update when you get the app. And then below that you can see your progress bar. That's where you can see the percentage of how much you've covered. Always use the app to book your theory test, or if your instructor's not booking the test, where you book the test, as this will take you to the government site. So good luck with your driving, and we hope the app keeps you motivated and informed.